Okay, we are moving to background.html. Is our course here. Okay, let me start afresh. We delete all of these. Save this. I think even if we refresh here, document lost already. Okay, we are done about this. Let me size. Okay, we are moving to background CSS, but we are using the two HTML and the CSS, and to do so you must link the two. So let me write our requirement for HTML document. Then HTML head of title. Instead of a title, we have background practice. That's practice. Okay. We have a body. I save this, then I'm come here and I refresh background dash practice to the title. Okay, first of all we need to link the two between HTML file extension and the CSS file extension. The closing tag of the head before it, light word length, then we are moving background this one, so we save this and we will refresh. I think I've opened I already lighted the code, so let me light again. Let me light together with you and refresh. Here is our body. We need our body to have a certain color, so we are using background attribute. So inside of this I light a body, curly bracket. Inside of the curly bracket we have property. What property we are talking about is background color, then color, then is a value. What value we are looking, maybe black, yellow. This is just a value. So I save this and I'm coming here and I refresh. You can see in your web browser here, Google Chrome, the background color is black. We can change depending on where you want, so I can change and I can use hexadecimal values. 8. I save this and I'm coming here and I refresh. Okay, depending on the way I want it to look. This is how to use background color in your body. So in other case, you can see there is a web browser, but inside of the web browser the color is not there, like there is a picture displayed inside of it. How can it be done? Go with me here. We are now jumping to background image. How you can light a background image. So first of all, we need to create a folder. Let me create a folder here. Then let me give us a picture. We are doing this to avoid to have many files inside our VS Code editor. In another way, it can confuse yourself. So I need to open a folder, then a file, open a file, and come here. I open a file. I need to take a single picture, so I come here, then I open it. Okay, and let me choose this. Our image is that one. So I take this image and I put it into the picture folder, and then I delete this. Okay, so to light a background image or to target a background image, you can use in different ways. You can use internal or external by linking the two file extension between HTML file extension and the CSS file extension. So right here, I'm using both of the two. I'll teach you both of the two. First, I will start with external file extension. So I save this and I refresh. Actually, the value is the same. So you light a board. Inside you light a value, and then you light a property. So the property we are using to target a background image, you are using background-image here. Background image. This one. You see background image. Inside of the value, we are using URL of your image. URL of your image. So I let URL. Then our image. Double quote. Inside of this we have double quote our image. So remember, the image are located in a folder, so it's not the same as once you are in the same file. The image is in another folder, even though it's inside the file we are using it. So there is a way of locating images that are inside of another folder. So here, for the normal way, I should let image.jpg here. Then I say, once I come here and refresh, nothing displayed, just because of what here is folder we created. So to target it, we start with the name of the folder, picture. Do you see this one? Once we do like this, our image will be displayed here, as you can see. This is our image. This is just a simple way of lighting and to put your background image in your web browser, so you can use your image to do so. And for my task, once I finish this, I'll give you a task what you can do. This is just the first way of using this. Okay, let me cut the link and let me use internal one. This one I delete. Then I save this and I refresh. The background picture already lost it. So inside of this, we are using style, Python, style design. We are targeting our body. Curly bracket. Okay, property is background image. Background dash image. Colon. Remember, you are using UR. Inside of it, double quote. Remember, are located into another folder. So you name the folder first design followed by slash like this one. Design image like this one. I save this, and once I refresh, already displayed. So we are done about the background image.